Hello, we will be on the way to Xian tomorrow and I have prepared something for the emergency what might happen on the road. First, we have the oil for the car, we have a compressor for the tires, we have a charger if needed, and also a lot of hand tools. You never know what will happen on the road.
Hammer is important.
Hammer is important and fuses are also. These are very cheap and very useful. We have the warning triangle and this is good. You can fix the tire on the road and then you can drive to next gasoline station. Very important first aid kit. Last time we went to Hainan, it was good I have it because my wife needed a bandage. For hot water, we will have this big thermos and water and some additional water there. And this was my idea that we will bring instant noodles as there might be some traffic jams on the highway and everything, and I want to help people. If they need, we will give instant noodles with hot water, and we have also the cups for the noodles. And if it gets cold, we will have a couple of these also, plus our normal blankets from home. Okay, bye bye. Tomorrow we will go to Xian.
有多个违法拍照。
I'm on the road again. 4 kilometers. Now we are out of Shanghai.
Yes.
So we have started early today and basically the time is now 15:51 and we only have drive 200 kilometers and 60 of those is Shanghai area. About 4 hours we have only get 140 kilometers from Shanghai. So it will be a long trip to Xian.
I hope we can reach Xian tomorrow.
Let's see. But luckily we are on holiday, so we don't need to stress so much. Only thing is that we will miss all the New Year activities in Xian. So
Yeah.
we will have New Year in RV.
Let's see.